Dear students, today I'll discuss with you some important MCQ from the chapter Chemical Equilibrium. First question, 1 mole of N2,4 at 300 Kelvin is kept in a closed vessel at 1 atmosphere pressure. It is heated to 600 Kelvin. When 20% by mass of N2,4 gas decomposes to NO2 gas, the resultant pressure is what? Okay, so we'll do question number 1. Okay, so N2O4 decomposes to NO2. Okay, so you are 1 mole of it is taken. Okay, after some time 0.2 mole 20% by mass of N2 decomposes, so you will get here 0.2, so remaining is 0.8. okay, you are taking 1 and after some time 0.2 will decompose, so remaining is 0.8. okay, so it is balanced by 2, so its concentration is 0.2 multiplied 2, so here it is 0.4. okay, so at equilibrium total concentration is equal to 0.8 plus 0.4. This is 1.2 mole. Okay, so we know a relation P1 V1 is equal to nRT1. okay, so here volume is constant and this R is constant, so P1 is equal to N1 T1. This is the relation. okay, so similarly P2 is equal to N2 T2. okay, so P1 by N1 T1 is equal to P2 by N2 T2. okay, so we have to find what is P2. P2 is equal to P1 N2 P1 N2 T2 by N1 T1. So put all these values, P1 value 1 and your mole N2 is 1.2 mole, T2 is 600 and N1 is 1 and T1 is 300. So by solving you will get 2.4. So your answer B is the correct answer. Next, in which of the following case does the reaction go farthest to completion? Okay, in which case? So out of the choice you see K 10 to the power 2, K 10 to the minus 2, K is equal to 10, K is equal to 1. So which has highest value? K value is highest. It is giving this means that the concentration of the products is significantly greater than the concentration of the reactants. Question number 2. K is equal to concentration of products divided concentration of reactants. Okay, so higher the value 10 to the power 2 means more products are, that is this amount more products are formed. Okay, the reaction is going to the forward direction, so choice A is the correct answer. Next, for the reaction 2NO plus Cl2 to NOCl, which is true? You see the relation Kp is equal to Kc RT the power delta N. okay, so delta N means difference between the number of reactants and products. So you see this side 2 and this side is 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. So you will get Kc RT the power minus 1. That means Kc by RT. So choice C is the correct answer. Next, in a reaction A plus B, C plus D, the initial concentration of A and B per 0.9 mole Dm minus 3 is At equilibrium, the concentration of B was found to be 0.6 mole dm³ minus what is the value of the equilibrium constant for the reaction. So question number 4, you see your Kc is equal to CD concentration by AB concentration. So it is given your, what is given? Your, this is 0.6 mole, B concentration found to be 0.6 mole. Initial it is 0.9 mole. So this is your 0.6 mole. This is also 0.6 mole, and this is remaining is 0.3 mole. This is also 0.3 mole. So you will get 6 multiplied 6, that is 36. 3 multiplied 3, that is 9. So you will get 4. So choice C is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 5. For the Kp for the reaction CO2 plus H2, CO and H2O gas found to be 16 atmosphere at a given temperature. Original equal number of moles of H2 and CO2 were placed in the flask. At equilibrium, the pressure of H2 is 1.2 atmosphere. What is the partial pressure of carbon monoxide and water? Okay, you see, K is equal to CO concentration by H2O concentration by CO2 concentration, H2 concentration. So this is given your what? This is your 16. The case is given, 16 is given. Okay. The original moles of H2 were placed in the flask. At equilibrium, the pressure of H2, this is what? 1.2. This is also 1.2. Okay. So here CO and H2O partial pressure, this is asked. Okay. So 1.2, you see, okay. So when you find, putting this value, you will get CO concentration multiplied H2O concentration is 16 multiplied 1.2, 1.2. Okay. So by solving, you will get a value. So then taking the root over, you will get your 4.8 atmosphere. So choice C is the correct answer. Next, nitrogen and hydrogen giving ammonia, delta is this much. What will happen when helium gas is added to the vessel at a constant volume? So you see, no effect. It will be giving you no effect on the equilibrium, because the partial pressure and concentration of the reacting gases, nitrogen, hydrogen and ammonia, do not change. Okay. So choice C is the correct answer. Next, for the chemical reaction 3x plus y giving x3y, the amount of x3y at equilibrium is affected by what? Increasing the temperature and pressure. Okay. So increasing pressure, it is clearly shown, it is clearly seen, because this side number of molecules is greater than that of this side. So increasing the pressure, this will go to the x3y more formation. But as the volume is less here, so temperature is also giving the great effect. So choice A is the correct answer. Okay students, have a good day.